Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Thursday, January 4th, 2018, and people, as I am doing this video blog, the stock market is in full-on rally mode. The Dow Jones Industrial Average just crossed 25,000. It's up about 120 points. Again, it's not going to stop. Like I have been explaining to you since I don't know how long now. Just get used to this and please capitalize on what is happening. This is a gift that just keeps on giving, and it's not going to stop despite the fact that nothing is real. It is all fake. And again, if you happen to have seen the video that I did last night where I went significantly off the deep end about what the Federal Reserve is concerned about, despite their concerns, these distortions that they have created are going to get much worse with regard to the yield curve, with regard to stock market valuations, just because the market is where it is, which is, again, trading in multiples that are in bubble territory does not mean it's going to reverse anytime soon. So until that happens, we're going to take advantage of that. Speaking of that, I added a new position today. Bank of America, ticker BAC, February in the money calls. I think that's another one that's going to pay off. I'm still in Walmart. I explained that to you the other day. These are both as trades. I'm holding KMI, Kinder Morgan. I bought the stock, not the option. I'm gonna hold on to this until who knows when. I'm gonna add to it on every single dip. That's my current plan. Take advantage of that dividend as well. It has a nice dividend yield. So with that said, let's talk about a few other things. The dollar. The dollar is getting hammered again. Now, how many of you recall this guy saying, well, you know, the dollar being weaker or getting weaker? I mean, last year was abysmal for the dollar. It's continuing this year too. Is stock market positive? This is what they want. They don't care if they're stealing your purchasing power away. And it just, look, it doesn't matter to them, and you know who they are. This is the central banks, the Federal Reserve. They don't care. They don't care how you have to suffer. They don't care how much you have to work extra to earn these extra weaker dollars to buy everything. Again, when the dollar gets weak like this, and it's in a screaming downward trajectory for over a year now, everything costs more of these weaker dollars. So even if you have the same amount of cash or earning a little bit more, you're still poorer than you were before. So don't let this happen to you. Take advantage of what's going on here. Gold and silver are higher right now. Bonds are under some pressure here, but you can rest assured they're going to jump in here and prop up that bond market. It just doesn't stop either. I mean, the rigging, people, is so in our face. It's out of control, but and no one's going to look at it. No regulator is going to bat an eyeball. Does this remind you of the Madoff Ponzi? I've been talking about this for a long time. No one cares. Everyone's making money here, so that's all that matters to them. But again, in the longer run here, people, you know what you need to do. It's just so simple, just to understand these concepts, that the global debt is going to get monumentally worse. Deficits are going to get worse. They're going to have to continue to print cash out of thin air, despite whatever they're saying. They're going to continue to buy bonds from here into eternity. So you need to hold hard freaking assets. Again, these are not trades, people. And please stop writing to me about these things. Gold and silver, and ask anyone who follows my work for years. How many times have I said that these are not trades? These are things you're going to hold for the long term. And how long is the long term? I don't know. It's long. I can tell you that. But there's going to be a moment here when this does reverse. There's no doubt about it. It's cycles that go on over and over again. You get the risk on trade like we have now, metals are low. This will reverse. And it's going to reverse big time. at one particular time. Why? Because all this is fake. It's all distorted, and it's going to get monumentally worse. So just take advantage of it. All right. I think I pretty much nailed what I wanted to here, and we're going to make this happen, you and me. They're not going to beat us. There's no way it's going to happen. And we're going to use this game. Look, it's a gift. It's a game. It's whatever you want to, however you want to look at this. You got to take advantage of what's going on around you. There's so many opportunities, people. It's just, it's sick. That's what I'm looking for here. Wherever there is opportunity, you know I'm going to jump on that. It could be in whatever. I don't care what it is. If there's something out here that I feel is going to make you and I more well off moving forward, well, that's where I'm going to be. And I promise to be here and outline it all for you, because on my watch, you're not going to be fleeced like 99.9% of the people out there who are sheep that are marching towards the slaughter, and they're sitting there with their smug faces, most of them smiling, looking at their 401ks, which are doing pretty good right now. But what are they going to do when this reverses? What are they going to do when we even have a 5% correction, for which we have not had? I can't even remember the last time we've had it. It's historic what we're witnessing here. No market correction, stock market going in one direction. You can buy anything right now. Hold on to it for a little while and make money. That's it. Look, you do not have to be a rocket scientist to make money in this market. Literally, you can buy anything, pretty much. Pick one Dow component and just hold on to it for a little while. You will make cash here. This is the golden age right now for people that want to capitalize on this. And when this rolls over, whenever that is, I don't know when it is, I don't care when it is, I'm trading the market that I have, not the one that I'm dreaming about, thinking about, foaming at the mouth over. No. I'm foaming at the mouth at the market we have now. And that's what we want to take advantage of. It's that freaking simple. All right, with that said, let's sum all this up at the end of the day. Keep your eye on that bond market. If you go look at it right now on my website, traderschoice.net, you will see bonds are under some pressure here. And also, if you go on the right side of my page, on the very bottom, you're going to see a stock analyzer there. Put in ticker UUP. This is the dollar bullish ETF, UUP. And you can see the trajectory here of what the dollar is doing. It's sad, because as the dollar is bleeding, we are losing purchasing power, but we're going to compensate for that by acquiring more of these weaker dollars. And then we're going to take that, convert it into hard assets for the long run, okay, for the billionth, trillionth time, and just look for opportunity. Okay, with that said, I'll see you at the end of the day. I can't wait for that. Over and out.